Good morning, folks. Mark Wilson here. It's March 28th, 2016. What I have today is a NuTone spinner. Appears to be from the early, perhaps mid-90s. I can't tell by the motor whether it's a Slimline derivative or whether it's, it's when they may have outsourced to another company. Well, events, I'm thinking maybe Toastmaster, Commander Electric, something like that. But I picked this up at Habitat yesterday. Let's take it for a spin, shall we? Starts off with fast. Actually moves quite a bit of air. It's a 52-inch spinner. And medium. Slow. There's subtle design cues that are different between this and some of the older NuTone Slimlines. For one thing, it has a ball and socket canopy instead of the J-hooks and the bell canopy. It has vents, which, looking from the side profile, actually looks a bit like a Commander Electric. So that's maybe they outsourced their lower end fans to them, just to sort of fill that niche. But the blades, the way they sort of taper upward toward the end, that's indicative of a NuTone. So definitely NuTone blades. The brackets are a little peculiar. It doesn't have those squared off black brackets that the Pro lines have. But let's take a look, closer look here. All right, and there you have it, folks. 52-inch NuTone spinner. I guess it's. I'm not sure if this is technically a Slimline or not, like I said, but any information on this fan would be welcome. It's the first one I've ever seen. And thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, VW Bus Guy, and check out my Fancave Facebook page. Have a great day. Good night and good luck.